Hi, this is Jane with Green Side Up. Today we are going to be talking about philodendrons, and I have several examples with me to show you. So the name philodendron comes from the Greek. The philo is love or affection. Dendron is tree. So, I don't know, love tree, I guess. There are many varieties. Many of them are in the wild, and then of course there are the domesticated kind that you would find in a greenhouse. We're going to talk about the domesticated kind. As a general rule on your philodendrons, so you want to grow them in bright light, not full sun, but bright light, and you want to make sure that they are watered adequately. Again, always, just right, not too much, not too little. I have understood by my reading and by growing these here that they can adjust to both the light and to the water. So if you give them a little less light and a little less water, you're probably okay. If you give them a little more light, a little more water, they're probably going to adjust to that too. Play it by ear. Philodendrons come in a couple of different varieties. Okay, well there's more varieties than two, but anyway. So the ones that trail down, or the climbing ones, these have the heart-shaped leaves. The ones that are more the climbing the pole ones, those have different kinds of leaves, not necessarily just the heart-shaped ones. You can see there's some different shapes on these leaves. As I said, there's many varieties of both kinds. And what one you choose for your house, well, that's just kind of what you like, I guess. This is a very common philodendron. It is called a Chordatum. As you see, it has the heart-shaped leaves. This would be like a really good beginner plant. You're just going to have the leaves flowing down. Again, your water and your light will adjust. You have your very pretty green leaves on this. This is a plant that can grow long ways out. I will tell you, on your philodendrons, and actually on any kinds of plants that you have where they're trailing, you want to make sure that they're getting enough light. When they do not get enough light, you will see the gaps between your leaves broaden. And if you're getting a plant where your leaves are, say, like this far apart, it's seeking light, and you need to give it more light, because that isn't real healthy for the plant. Another trailing philodendron is called the Micans. The Micans has just a little bit different leaf color. Instead of being all green like that one I showed you, this one has a little bit of a reddish tint underneath. Another reason that you might like to have the Micans is it has more of a velvety leaf texture than the other one. This one is more smooth, this one is a little bit more velvety. This philodendron is called fuzzy petiole. The reason for the name is if you touch the stems, they have more of a fuzzy feel to them, kind of a rough feel. Not, I guess I wouldn't call it fuzzy, but it's definitely not smooth like the other ones. So this is fuzzy. This one is one of my favorites. It's called a Macaulay philodendron. I love the orange leaves. It has a cousin called Prince of Orange, and of the two, this one is probably going to have the more orange leaves, the more coloration in the leaves. Macaulay. Look at the unique leaf on this one. Doesn't look anything like the other leaves you've seen. This one is called Florida Beauty. Almost like an umbrella. Florida Beauty philodendron. Sitting next to me here is the Burgundy Princess. It has these beautiful red stems. It's a cousin to the Pink Princess, which also has the pinkish red stems. Both them and those other ones that I had just talked about are climbers. This one is on a pole. You can anchor it there so it will climb upright instead of spilling over. Burgundy Princess philodendron. I hope that you have learned something about philodendrons. I have when I do these videos. We have several in stock here at the store. If you would like to see some more varieties, we've got lots. In fact, we even have an order coming in today with some on it. If you have questions or comments, please leave a comment at the bottom of the video. And we hope to see you shopping here at Green Side Up. It's a very hot July day today, so I wish you, I guess, coolness as I go into the rest of my day. You too. Bye-bye.